right, guys and gals, we are here at the port of Charleston, weaving our way through the pylons or concrete barriers to, well, so we can pay to park. It's crazy, but we are ready to go, ain't we, guys and gals?
Through a maze.
Say woo!
Hello.
Any need for handicap parking?
No, we're good.
You don't need any of your documents till you get in the
Till we get in the building? All right, that's great, thank you. After we pay here, of course, we go up here and drop our bags off, right?
That is correct.
Alright, guys, so we dropped our luggage off, and guys, make sure you tip the porters. They're working hard out here to make sure our bags get on the ship. Right, we are parked. We are here at the port. If you see way back there, that's the big old boat. Now, of course, we got to go all the way across this big old parking lot down there to the check-in. There are shuttles that will take you, but I think we'll walk, get some exercise, get prepared for those guys' burgers. Yeah. All right, we're getting ready to check in. Guys, make sure you get your boarding passes in your hand when you get up here, or they ain't gonna let you in the building to check in. So, all right, so easy peasy lemon squeezy. They checked our Verifly app, boarding pass, passports, IDs, birth certificates, all that. Took just a couple of minutes. Now we got to do the second part of the check-in process. All right, guys, easy peasy lemon squeezy. They checked us, checked everything again, and took our pictures and all that. We're good to go. Now we're on the shuttle, ready to go, ain't we, baby?
Ready to get on the big boat.
Ready, like Freddy, no doubt. All right, guys, so it took us like, from the time we went to the check-in to now, like 45 minutes. Which took the biggest wait was the security check-in line. Now, if you do have any beverages that you're bringing on, they will check them. So be prepared for that. That took an extra couple minutes, but we're getting on the big boat. Getting on the big boat. Getting on the... We're on the big boat. We're on the big boat. Woo, woo, woo. Muster Station D.
Yeah, over there, that was number 8.
All right, guys, we're on the ship. We're back here in the back of the ship. Found us a table finally. We're scattering around trying to find some lunch. And then, of course, well, we'll go from there. We've already checked in, shuttled over, went through everything. Our muster station, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. No problems yet. From the time we got to the check-in station to the time we got on the ship back here, about 1 hour.